to say thank you. No man, or Samokao, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete. Oh, I say, I've come to say thank you. I say no man, or Samokao, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete. Many things she did do for me when nobody feed you. My going and coming, you follow me. Jehovah Adonai, the love you they show me always blow my mind. I will rise up in the morning, singing hallelujah. Who you're well, Baba. Say thank you. I say no man on Samokao, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete. Oh, I say I've come to say thank you. Say no, my Baba, on Samokao, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete, irregular Manuel, Oba Norekete. You are the wonder of God. You are beautiful beyond descriptions. Who can fathom the depth of your love? Too marvelous for words to comprehend. It is so well. Abuye no vie. Uto hame o. Euna yeso ewe weme o. Akpa wi meme fwe. Reno go ye o. Ilati.
Because that's the very best thing that has ever happened to me. Happy birthday to the angel and lights of my life. I love you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about the big surprise birthday wey Destiny do for his wife Edward. Not be small thing oh my people oh. See the massive birthday, the big birthday. They say na wife wey sabi na him man dey do birthday for, not be small thing o. You can't just really the day obvious now say we don't even see your second woman for there like the thing you can't see the shocktalize us. This big birthday I know say na handwork. I know the way she for take do this birthday not be small. I trust a lady of song. I know the way she for take do this birthday. She for really do surprise but this one will be say everywhere just get as it be. So the thing just shocktalized me because I see the big birthday. It was really nice. The birthday was really like the birthday really carry not be small. The birthday really carry not be small. The thing see they shocktalized me up till now. Say Edward they do birthday. Madam lady of song no dey there. This is the shock everybody shout. See they shock me, you know, because I know the way una take day before, you know. So I pray make the quarrel, make una see settle, you understand the hair because except say una don't really decide to just throw away lady of song like that but it didn't shock me, sha. It really shocktalized me. Say Edward not dey there. The thing get I be a lady of song not dey there, you know. So I saw the surprise birthday. Happy birthday to you, long life and prosperity. I wish you everything what you wish yourself. I wish I wish you all the good things wey you wish yourself. Long life, enjoy your birthday, enjoy. I see the big birthday, not be small thing. Una need to see the surprise wey destiny give am, not be small thing, my people. Not be small thing. Make una watch this video with me. Bye.
I've come to say thank you. No man, Osemokeo, Iregorie Convenuel, Oba Norekete, Iregorie Manuel, Oba Norekete. Oh, I say, I've come to say thank you. No man, Osemokeo, Iregorie Convenuel. Many things she did do for me when nobody feed you. My going and coming, you follow me. Jehovah Adonai, the love you they show me always blow my mind. I will rise up in the morning, singing hallelujah. Who you're well, Baba. Beyond descriptions, who can fathom the depth of your love? Too marvelous for words to comprehend. It is well, Abuye no vie. Uto hameo, euna yeso ewe wemeo. Akpa we meme fwe, beno go yo. Ilati.
Because that's the very best thing that has ever happened to me. Happy birthday to the angel that lights up my life. I love you.